Frustration grows as Korea's stablecoin legislation slows to standstill. South Korea. Stablecoin. South Korean blockchain insider. We aren't seeing delays like this anywhere else in the world. Author. Tim Alper. Author. Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 6 hours ago. Crypto advocates, IT experts, and media outlets are concerned that lawmakers' deliberations on South Korea's stablecoin legislation have slowed to a standstill. The South Korean newspaper Busan Ilbo reported that all 4 stablecoin-related draft laws submitted to the National Assembly in recent months are currently stuck in the committee stage. Korea's stablecoin legislation. Stuck in committee. The bill's delay, the newspaper wrote, is due to the fact that regulators and lawmakers cannot agree on key terms. Busan Ilbo wrote, discussions on institutionalizing stablecoins in South Korea are stuck at a standstill. This stems from persistent disagreements between the National Assembly, the government, and the Bank of Korea, BOK. The outlet noted that the parties cannot agree on the question of whether they should let fintech and IT firms issue coins. More conservative voices at the BOK and in the government want to restrict issuance to domestic commercial banks. The question of whether or not to let fintech firms issue KRW-pegged coins is extremely sensitive in South Korea. The country's business space is dominated by large conglomerates known as chaebol. All of these firms have advanced finance and tech subsidiaries. In recent years, internet giants such as Naver and Kakao have also moved into the space. The BOK and others fear that letting firms issue KRW-pegged coins will lead to the rise of big tech-controlled, private currencies. Historically, chaebol have wielded enormous political and financial influence in South Korea. The BOK is concerned that surrendering its monopoly on currency issuance to these firms, or new tech giants like Naver, will erode its power. Conversely, the BOK exercises considerable regulatory powers over the commercial banking space. As such, it seems ready to dig its heels in on the matter. Equity requirements. The 4 bills all feature varying requirements for stablecoin issuers. The most progressive of the quartet proposes ensuring issuers have a minimum of 500 million won, $360,026, in equity capital. This bill would essentially open the door to startups that wish to start issuing KRW-pegged stablecoins. But the most conservative of the bill states that only firms with a minimum of 5 billion won, $3.6 million, in equity capital can enter the market. Busan Ilbo wrote that the review process has been divided between 2 of the National Assembly's committees, namely the Political Affairs Committee and the Strategy and Finance Committee. This split is hindering progress, the outlet remarked. A senior official at a South Korean blockchain industry firm, speaking to cryptonews.com on condition of anonymity, said, "This delay is very frustrating. The government should make up its mind quickly either way. Our rivals in other countries aren't being left in limbo like us, playing catch-up with Washington." South Korean critics have pointed to progress on stablecoins in Germany, China, and Japan, as well as the U.S. The Japanese Financial Services Agency is reportedly set to authorize the Tokyo-based fintech company JYPC's bid to issue the nation's first yen-pegged stablecoin. Experts in Seoul think that Berlin, Tokyo, and Beijing are all acting in response to events in Washington, keen to avoid a unipolar drift toward the U.S. dollar. U.S. President Donald Trump signed the Genius Act into law in July this year. The act sets out a range of regulatory requirements for would-be stablecoin issuers. Last week, the president of the USD Coin, USDC, issuer circle Heath Tarbert, held a stablecoin-themed meeting with the BOK Governor Ri Chong-yong. Tarbert also met with some of South Korea's top bankers. The circle chief spoke to top executives from financial behemoths like Kookmin, Woori, and Shinhan. Follow us on Google News. Trending News. Recommended popular crypto topics. Price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar city executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. Why is crypto down today? August 25, 2025 XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Industry talk. Live crypto news today. Latest updates for August 25, 2025. Bitcoin whale dumps 24K BTC. Triggers $4,000 flash crash. ETH briefly tops $4,900. 1 day ago. By Jai Pratap. Press releases. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports Sol mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. Price analysis. Latest ChatGPT 5 predicts XRP, SOL and ETH prices for end of 2025. For days ago. By Tim Hackey. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 5 days ago. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 3 days ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 17 hours ago. By Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. August 19, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. August 18, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? For days ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025. 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.